So I am done. Over there. And then that. So what's up, you guys? How y'all doing today? Or whenever y'all watching this video. Hey. So, look what I got. I got these, and I'm finna redo my pantry. Like, this is my pantry. I got stuff all the way up there, down here, trash. So it's time to redo this, y'all. Come on with me. Come help me out, okay? Here's my kitchen. We got stuff in there. So I got everything cleaned out. I done wiped down the cabinets and everything. All the stuff is out here. Wiped down everything, disinfect everything, mopped and all that. Went to the gym, now I'm back. So I'm on my way to put stuff in containers and stuff. So let's get going. So I'm opening up the containers. I opened this up. I had plans to put chips in, but the chips don't fit. Like, I need more to put a larger size. So I'm gonna do something else with these. And they stackable, which is great. You can stack them up. So these actually come with labels, which I like. And a pen. Let's see. These are for the cereal. Okay. This can be, and the lid lift up here. So I'm gonna wash these out right quick to put the cereal in. Now I have these jars here. All size, one tall one. trying to see what exactly can I put in these small ones. You just push it down, push it up, take your stuff out. Let's go watch it. So I am done. Over there. So I am done, you guys. All done with my pantry. Once I took everything out, I was able to see what I had, things that I need to throw away. And it's so much organized. I love it. The kids love it because now they see all their snacks and it's like, oh, can I have this? Can I have this? It's like, no, one snack a day. But it's so organized to me, just so everything has its place, you know? So let me know what y'all think in the comments about my pantry makeover. My pantry makeover organization. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tell somebody about me, why don't you? Bye bye.